Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn touch command. So using touch command we can create an empty file if the file does not exist over the present working directory, or we can change the file timestamps if the file is already exist. So to update or modify any kind of file from the current timing, we can use the touch command. So touch command, using touch command we can create a file. So this is the my present working directory. Using ls-lrt I'll get to know what are the files and directory which is available here. Suppose I wanted to create a.txt, so it will create a.txt. Now I can see a.txt is created at the bottom side. You can create a multiple file in a single go: a1.txt, b1.txt, c1.txt. So all this file will be created with a permission of 664. So by default, like, it will be created with the permission of 664. So 664 will depend on file permission, will depends on the umask. So whenever there is a umask, that file will be created with 664. So if umask is giving entry 002, then file having a permission 666 minus 0002, so it will be a permission of 664. Okay, so this is the one of the type of file which we created, a.txt. So we can create multiple kind of files using by providing, but this will create an empty file. You can see the size is 0. Now using touch, we can like we can create, we can change this timestamp. For example, using touch hyphen t, you need to provide the 2022, the year, month, date, timestamp, those kind of stuff in such a manner. So year 2022, month I'll be providing 01, I'll be providing 26, 24, as a 24 January 2022 around 12:30 00. I'll mention a.txt and b1.txt, these two files. Now you can see last command is executed properly or not. Echo dollar question mark is the command, where if it is giving a 0 as output, then it will be executed successfully. Now you can see using a.txt and b1.txt. Now here the file stamp is changed to January 2022, January 24, 2022. You can see here it was created today's date at a.txt and b1.txt is created today's date. So using hyphen t, we can change the timestamp. Again, touch hyphen a. So using hyphen touch hyphen a, we can identify the change only the access time to the current timestamp. So for example, we have, so using touch hyphen a, we can change the access time of the any of the file to current timestamp. So current timestamp of this file, this currently it is 1811. So if you check access time for the b1.txt using stat and then file name, you can see accessed around 18:11:45, and it is currently going on 11:48. So it was accessed, this particular b1.txt was accessed around this particular timing using hyphen a option. Suppose there is a option C. If suppose file is exist, hyphen c is useful for, like, do not create any file. If the file is exist, so it won't make any changes. You can see b1.txt. But suppose if the file is not exist, so I'll show you before what all of the files are exist. So let me create touch hyphen c p.txt. P.txt is not available here, so I'm going to create this one. So you can see echo dollar question mark. Now if you search it using ls hyphen lt start.txt, so p.txt is not created because hyphen c is the option which is useful for do not create. Again, we using touch hyphen d, and if you are providing 17 March 2022 to any of the file a.txt, so it will change the timestamp of that particular file. So see here, it has changed 17 March 2022 23 for this a.txt file. So using hyphen d, we can provide the timestamp to the like any date to the any file. Again, we can copy this timestamp of any file to any file using touch hyphen r. So I'll be copying a.txt into file 3.txt. You can see previously a.txt is having March 17, 2023, and file 3 is having April 17 this particular timing 2 days echoes file. But now here you can see using hyphen r, it copied this timestamp of a.txt to file 3.txt. So these are the options which is being used while using touch command. I hope you like the videos. Please do subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.